First, we get the hands-on video of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this new Galaxy S23 Ultra video is a retailer version, meaning this was available in the market, and after that we get the actual zoom test on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is amazing. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now after the hands-on video, we get a new video of Galaxy S23 Ultra where people are checking the S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera to its full potential. Whereas we all know for zooming over 10x, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to use its primary camera, which is 200 megapixel. And this video zoomed this new 200 megapixel camera at 100x, which is too far. Although we get the 100x zoom option on the S22 Ultra last year, so what's special about the S23 Ultra? Well, S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera brings twice more details than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. So if you are a zoom lover, set yourself a buying date for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, are you guys happy with the image quality of Galaxy S23 Ultra? Things didn't stop here, as S23 Ultra new camera specs are also out with the new camera details image, where in stores they showed us the hands-on video. They also checked the video features on the S23 Ultra, and here we get the first ever 8K video recording at 30 FPS. Last year it was at 24 FPS. Also, along with this, we get the new image showing us 3:4 200 megapixel camera options. So this will be amazing to use 200 megapixel camera on the S23 Ultra. You might have thought, are these real? Well, you just need to look at the antenna position, that way you get your answer. If you want to see the official camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then we also have that. And this image was out by the ICE universe itself, where this image was not taken with the 5x or 10x. This was shot at 12x with the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera. And why this image is so special? Because this brings natural colors, the image is not overexposed and not even over sharp. As in the previous generations of Samsung phones, Samsung used to overexpose the image and over-sharpen them. But now on the S23 Ultra, they changed the way they process the image, which is a good thing. Samsung started reservation for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and you guys will going to get $50 Samsung credit if you reserve your device. The pre-order deals are also out, and believe me, these are one of the best deals Samsung ever out with. They are offering Buds Pro 2 and Galaxy Watch 5, which itself a good amount of money if you want to buy them. If you guys want to see more in-detail hands-on video of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.